Line numbers are used in many types of documents, such as legal documents. The line numbers appear to the left of each line on a page, and Word allows you to control the distance between those line numbers and the text of the document. Once you've added line numbers to your document, you may want to modify how far those numbers are from the text in your document. Word makes this quite easy to do. Just jump over to the Layout tab of the ribbon, and then we're going to click Line Numbers right here. And finally, we're going to choose Line Number Options. That displays the Page Setup dialog box. I could also have gotten to this dialog box by clicking the icon at the bottom right corner of the Page Setup group. Regardless of how I got here, though, I need to click on the Line Numbers button, and that displays the Line Numbers dialog box. It's this control that specifies how far the line numbers should be from your text. As you can see, the default is Auto. That means that Word determines what is the best distance between your text and those line numbers. You can change this setting to whatever makes sense for your layout needs. Now, there is one thing to keep in mind here. Let's say I make this larger, like right now it's at 2.2 inches. If my left margin is not at least 2.2 inches, I won't be able to see the line numbers on the screen because Word will move them right off the left side of the page because it puts so much space between those line numbers and the text. So either leave it as auto or leave it as a smaller value that makes a little bit of sense for your document. When you're done, you can click on OK, and then click on OK again, and Word adjusts the position of those line numbers on the printed page. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.